Welcome to Cool Kids Kingdom.
Welcome to the world of English alphabets. Let's discover the ABCs with some amazing animals. A is for alpaca, the fluffy, friendly creature from the Andes. B is for bats, the only mammals that can truly fly. C is for cat, the purring pet that loves to play. D is for deer, graceful animals with beautiful antlers. E is for eel, the slippery swimmer of the deep sea. F is for frog, the hopping hero of ponds and forests. G is for goose, the feathery friend with a loud honk. H is for hermit crab, the little creature that carries its home on its back. I is for iguana, the lizard with a long tail and spiky back. J is for jaguar, the powerful cat of the jungle. K is for koala, the cuddly bear from Australia. L is for lion, the king of the savannah. M is for monkey, the playful climber of the trees. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea with a long spiraled tusk. O is for otter, the adorable swimmer that loves to play. P is for polar bear, the giant white bear of the Arctic. Q is for quail, the small bird with a plume on its head. R is for rooster, the early bird that wakes up the farm. S is for shark, the sleek and powerful predator of the ocean. T is for turtle, the slow and steady creature with a hard shell. U is for urchin, the spiky sea creature that lives on the ocean floor. V is for vulture, the bird with a keen eye for spotting food. W is for warthog, the wild pig with big tusks and a brave heart. X is for X-ray fish, the fish so transparent you can see through it. Y is for yak, the shaggy-haired beast that lives in the mountains. Z is for zebra, the striped horse that stands out in the savannah.
Thank you for hanging out with us at Cool Kids Kingdom. We hope you had a blast. We had so much fun playing games, laughing, and enjoying all the activities together. Come back soon for more fun and excitement. See you soon, Cool Kids.